Welcome to our kitchen, everyone. Prepare to delight your taste buds with our mouth-watering recipe for cheesy potato jalapeno poppers. They are the perfect combination of crunchy and gooey snacks, making them a hit with everyone. We carefully stuff each ball with potato, fresh jalapeno slices, and mozzarella cheese. Then we fry them until they are golden brown. This crispy snack goes well with our homemade chipotle mayo dipping sauce that is smooth, zesty, and a bit spicy. If you want a simple yet amazing snack, our cheesy potato jalapeno poppers are the way to go. Let's start by making a simple mashed potato. Peel and roughly chop 600 grams of potato. Our recipe calls for russet potatoes, but feel free to substitute them with your favorite. Boil the potatoes until they become tender and easy to mash. You may be wondering why we always cook a lot of potatoes. The answer is simple, because they are very appealing. Get it? Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, half cup of milk or cream. For extra flavor, add half teaspoon of garlic powder and half teaspoon of onion powder. Season with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well using a spatula. Have a little taste and add more seasoning if necessary. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to help bind the mashed potatoes together and prevent them from falling apart when frying. Mix and set aside to cool at room temperature. Meanwhile, chop 2 stalks of green onion. Add them to the mashed potato. Take about 2 tablespoons of mashed potato. Form it into a ball. Flatten the potato and set aside. Slice 2 jalapeno peppers. Add a slice of jalapeno peppers on top of the potato. Dice mozzarella cheese. Cut into cubes about 2 cm square. Place the cheese on top of the jalapeno. Enclose them with the potato and shape them into a ball. Beat 2 eggs in a shallow mixing bowl. Prepare 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of panko breadcrumb in a shallow bowl. Coat the potato ball with the flour first. Then, coat it with the egg. As the last step, coat it in the panko breadcrumbs. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for 5 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Add half cup of mayonnaise to a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of chipotle adobo sauce. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, add 1 clove of minced garlic. And finally, squeeze about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well and enjoy this smooth, slightly spicy, and zesty dipping sauce. Thank you for watching and hope you love this crunchy, cheesy, and spicy flavor snack. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy!